If she's not singing along, she's definitely too young for you. This is, one for folks my age, back in the days, taking it back, right? Queen Pen?
She's not singing along.
She's too young. She's too young.
Maybe she doesn't like hip hop.
What if Ustad Lumpakang?
Or she's too young. Everyone knew the song. You didn't even have to be a hip hop head, man. Fantastic music indeed. Seven colors. Folks, he's in the house. Kumba, I was never ready. I'll probably never be ready.
Why people always say that? Phela mamdala fanele ukuprepare ngithi phela fanele ayine awubabela abakhona nomthetho yazi ukuthi Brentwood yazi ukuthi Brentwood isikhathi sithe kanjani ukuthi even nomthetho lokho sibheka lothi am I right? I look fantastic.
Yeah,
I hope he wins. If it doesn't win, whoever that wins that award
we must make sure. We must keep voting.
Yeah, we must keep voting.
For being yangichaza problem yangichaza makangekho sesakhona ukukhuleka
ngiphambana siyakhuleka into esiphambana
hey umakhelwane wami une chicken pox nayi imhlolo yakho
shame man
like mina une chicken pox unama wings like une cremundo isona ngale enomdala ubaba omdala I think unabo ma 52 and as chicken pox ayifuni kalama ayifuni moya yathola umoya iba west and uyabhema akhonibhemela endlini ukabona ume ngaphandle aba 7 ngithi andisibaya abasectela la manje lento angikhulumela phakathi uyangizwa ngithi kanti isibaya athakina nemsuthu kina makhe ngithi wini makhe waba mhlophe nje uyableach athi hayi ngithola chicken ngithi yo I don't know unama wings hey kuloko chicken pox
yes horrible.
Yeah, long ago though.
I think I was 7.
What is long ago, bro? Pela wana dalo khuluma English, bro. Because it's in the so chama vaccines. In time. Uvangel yes, what asgazi asiphatha. Labios bamba khona. Ngiyangibona kusikhulu sengiphethe chicken pox imdala kanje.
And also it's contagious, so be careful.
Yes.
When we visit
young pata. You're a spreader. Young pata ngene mall. Haka wonke umuntu wozala long wozala ungakela ukuthi eyindabeni nobeni ichicken pox ibhungukile eRosebank yimi ngifuna ukuyispread kuli ngifuna ukuyispreada ngihlonga ngihaka yonke into nalabo mama nalehlobo ongasithanda yabo lehlobo lezi you know the family gathering there's always that those relatives ongabathandi abo unchain lo fika control sakajini ulala kulombhede nombhede wakho lo
Juma
yabazi ezena abantwana abayi3 abantwana bakhona baspoiled I need a yogurt njengoba umntwana wayiproverb spoiled proverb Joe ucancela shoot at no I'm taking my son for shopping. You're taking your son to shopping
and for a walk.
Yeah, I'm taking my son for a walk and my dog like really just like hi I'm gonna bala gogo baspoiled abazilaba baspoiled atufuna yogurt and then in yogurt ne share nencane nganga special occasion Sunday ngama ma pages ka gogo wakho abazilaba pages lawa bafaka kulesikhulu bese babeka lapha phezulu owahalele unyaka wonke yazo bese gogo mpesi akuna event le weekend mabavulile mnandi man but we great Helen ukhuluma isilungu bafethu and nje mangibotho sipana proverb ngathi this is good Helen nento shit mina ngidomnyana ke ngithi ngifuna ukwazi uthendle engaka esikwatisile
proverb now unesingesi thethe
it's proverb u10 like u10 lokho lo u10 nomlungu lo
Sheba Skuba because you know we were colonized mostly.
Colonized.
Yeah.
Maqala uthi colo give me glandelo ni cologne like
no it's
So bathi yes colonize ngithi usikama perfume
No, not colonized. Colonized.
Okay.
Yeah, and so she was referring to the legacy of colonialism. To say it really wasn't a bad
when
thing.
I'm izoveza la rap skills akho she colonize utheni ngifuna lento ethi vangeli yini nezindaba utheni lokokolo utheni lo
uthe njengoba sasihlukunyezwa amabhunu it was not all bad shuthi khona izinto grand
usho kanjani bantu
yeah
why lento ungayisho kahle uyenza ngathi I right now
No, I'm just conveying what was said there.
so she colonized the colons
No.
I understand I'm not good in politics but ufuna understand ukuthi lo mlungu baze bamkwatela kangaka ukuthi bathi ayehle useyindabeni manje ukuthi Zil must go umusima yimani ngeke amxoshwe umusima yimani
undermine pain yethu as a continent, not even as a South African.
So lento esibuya kuyo yamathiya gas yemikhukhu
akayiboni
eklasini lakadakhe uyazi masihlale senza lento eyikoni zabantwana nina proverb ukhule kamnandi you went to a proper school where zangithi school ngithe school you went to a proper school where eklasini ni 13 you know each other by name like
we use our English names.
Yes, everyone is like, hey, Jonathan, James. Mary, Aguna the poor. Tina, bese 70 kaki. 76.
Yeah.
At the skin 4.
Yeah.
Bude shara bathi Yvonne, ngibonga nesiphaiza. So mama kucabanga ukuthi ayenza imali nyana. Uthengisa amazimba eklasini. So uyalandizela yonke lento le uthi
it was fine. There's no problem with it.
Hey, the day bayobuyele ku power. Siyayisola.
That's the problem.
Ufasa ama true colors lo. Yasilona ne asimanye impela intama yakhe yashwaba ukayibona intama kaHelen wayibona intama kaHelen okuyashwaba shwabani ilabo kokho bebelunga akagugu yabola la yabola ngathi yasazi steak kodwa kusifaka efridge basifaka ku micro oven wasikhipha after 3 days shwabene la
Akagugu yabola
akeza ngifuna no unokhakhumusa hayi lokho kwangazo sitelela no usitelelile la akekho right akekho thinking is serious manje ukuthi iCPS this is the only time I know ukuthi igrant yethu ibhatala iCPS no iCPS bengayazi mina ngazi mayithi angeke ngikhona ukunibhadala manje ubani wena athi bayinika mina nginike nini marumama umama sonke lesikhathi una 5 months aloku ayiphuzela amanzi akhe ukhohliwe
3 years
Now 5 months ago bekazi ukuthi contract iyaphela what yazi lento ukuthi ngizoyicharge man ngizoyicharge le phone besiyaciba and efanele uyoba iMC yama idols angithi ngiyazi labantwana bena ababhimbayo lapha bese niyabawina I can think njengama idols problem ukwenza ngathi important uzothi and the winner is Sayathula let's go to a break
Mama.
Let's go to a break. Ngathi wozana. Uyawazi dala uma result wabonile unesibindi bro unesibindi kahle unasibindi unobusathana. Uthula kanjani nento nje uthi hey. Uyazi ubani ofailile eklasini uyazi ubani ofailile and abafailile say toilet.
Now I was warned about Skumba. I am taking a beating and I'm about to take a little bit more. But Skumba?
Oh no, lengoma bengadlala iKhaza boKansas City. Izolekadlala ngizolo beshay tribute. Ampana ukuthi mthelo mina ngimengamuzwa laba bangifuna ya understand the legend but iphethe bekhas there and mas may is already in peace maro Kansas beratin bafethi.
Ayisuka bese
Rhythmic.
It was
Ay mara beka hamba. Manje abantu bayasibhodlela emaredweni. It's traffic leader. Sandaba lento le. Uthini kithi? Usithinta ngayiphi indlela emoyeni abantu bayazi ngama Wednesday baba mina iHotman bafika endlini ubheka imeda ukuthi azilove ufuna uthi bozile makhotman la mamamela ngolosithathu nokufika endlini ubheka imela kuthi azi love kunento esingayenzi right namhlanje ngicela ukufasela esilingini uthi
Chandelier.
yini chandelier ile angazi ngicela ukuthi yini bobukeleni wena
Sure.
la kuthiwa stop la mamamela khotman ngathi ubukele 50 shades of grey ngathi ungafasi made enoyaza unama hang boy unawo mariskiya sokwavula sikho uthi la ngicanga ukufasa
Vasco.
ngicela singene Vasco Anashawa singene la ku Vasco yazi le Pablo kwashingu lelo qoba ingubo soma lelo zenke sesivala ngePavu nesivala ngePavu namedi abantu besihamba ama sound athi ngathi kuseholweni ngathi kuseholweni uzinqozile yini kune choir la endlini ngifuna shintshe the way senze izinto ngakhona ithi Pablo esifana prize la khona man uthi wathi apha ngifuna asimasimba singangena showeni nomuntu sithatha phi shower endlini lokusini baby lipi Pablo and yasibavu dlala emva kwamaruba uqeda ukuphuza into zakho zonke imkhonto yakho yonke ikhombini udlula kitchen nomntana wathi baba uyapi ndi Pablo oruthimi incozo athari Pablo sifanda prize la khotman hayi abe yubaya nami Dr. Mageu ke intaka zabo proverb
Lipro alone
man mara no pro uma Dr. Mageu obana munye umdala kule uSmandla Spikiri no itrompis yonke
uArthur
uAta yeah uSkido upro nibathanda Pepsi aboganyana
Guys, I'm not in that league.
ufuna uyiphi league ufuna sikisa phezulu
No, I mean, I'm just a generation behind.
what you
Ayo
should
angel
be
penny who runs the proverb.
same group same WhatsApp group same WhatsApp group peni mambona uthi aye tatana la baba la fana kabula li hairstylist yakhe no I don't have a problem with the reality show ngiyazifana soko Brati but I want to know so bobeni bekamele le show ukuthi enze zonke lezi zinto azenzayo
No,
daily life.
avule amatshe.
It's his daily life, this guy.
No, but this is a reality show. You're 13 episodes. So you waited
in 3 weeks.
Manje ufuna abantwana bakhe bonke. Athi yeah balo babalo. Athi dakabazi bako bathi yeah spirit sa shashkwambana. Sithola abantwana bami asibabethe ko papa ngithi wo. You must know where your kids are.
I mean, really?
But you need to know where your kids are. But oh papa pena should behamba down to. Shawala yazwakala khona. Abazomsakutata kaka. Emas nomrodo munye nayo nomrodo inkosi. Why isn't the poet? So uyangidini like now into fanele was TV was stop Nimrod fanele valo proverb fanele valo pro producer la show nice producer in Tswembu angasa present
Why?
uyangidina no angithi umngane wami sicela umuntu osimami sicela let's something like poitinyana la phana ngoba ama results ngapha umuntu uveze the whole package
Sis. Excess Kumba official still in the house?
ngama kanjani
Your last thoughts, Abuti, please.
not last uzahara bathi wenzani
Hayi ntombi kaloku she's found what greener pastures.
we babala nice
No, kaloku is an international company. She's moved from Usbu.
Wait, I don't know the story. Has she changed companies?
Apparently this is a story we read in the week.
Oh.
And apparently it's international.
Borobi
Go Robbie.
Yeah, but then good for her if that's the case.
Yeah.
Pro internationally Xhosa
Kaloku that's what they want to hear. They're closest overseas, baby. Closer.
angithi ku wrong funa ning understand kahle angithi ku wrong so
And I don't know what's going on.
transport bengijaza amaXhosa uzahambile pro hambile.
Look, if it's what you say for an international deal, then I say big up and kudos to her.
ngile kataraka unkosi hlangana naye la uhlala iphethe angazi why angazi uzahara
just in case you never know when you have to break out into song. Do you know what I mean?
uzahara senze comment uzobukela uzone kataraka into.
Yeah, just in case in the intermission.
Ibrahim ngitozolo uzola and then athanda naye. Yeah, hi and I keep on. Yiyo. Ngiyithanda la katar should no fang fanele kahambe it's all everywhere. Yeah, let's go boy, let's go. Yeah. Andina laba bayithula. Sifane ngoma sifane ngoma ezi3 manje ne. Namhlanje ebusuku bazokhipha S4. Every week bakhipha track like banenye vandaag ebusuku uzobona. Banokwenza ngathi uLouis Vega uBrawabo. No, I'm chilling with Louis.
No, but Brawabo, honestly.
Cool.
Akabalandeli na ku Twitter.
So we're chilling with Louis. But you know, ngabe bane gig ngabe bafakela ngithi yabazi laba wabofeng badlala ngana abantu stadium like when people are still walking in,
finding their seats,
and then they act like they're killing it. Alekwanikana umyathafa phela. Iniksekola dala bayenzile isithi ngiyazikhalela nje. Ngathi uDJ AJ wala mntwana na drill. Yeah,
athi Junior.
No, athi Junior same WhatsApp group. What's on the phone bacaba ukuthi important. Bazoda mu DJ aba international. La kulive kuyabathatha uthasameni sokugema sami mara niyazi ndlala ngo2 mina ngidlala ngo11. Baba niki breakfast ithombe bebas poster. Can't believe hashtag can't believe having dinner, having breakfast with a legend. You're having breakfast. Anything, Louis, anything. Our friend was also important. Nalama kick up on my rooftop. Hey, bro, lalela joke namanda abantswembu likhantu bese kuba nalezi zithi fresh no euphonic no bese bayahamba bagcoka amasudu ngiba bagcokisa sebafaka amasudu amancane amasudu yena amasudu abangawathengi bese bathi angihalanga sinye something asisponsor baniphile niphiwe likni inheritil bekushiyo ukabona bakushoniwe bese wathi uzani so share impahla zakho bomkhulu fanipha amasudu nyana amancane senithi awu yes, we have another song. We have a new song coming out. We don't care, Joe. We don't. No, lava person's important. Yes, I can. It's our gig. Computer. No, singa patale mnyango singene. Seni computer it nina. Na inhlolo yethu. Bro, sazama computer it man. Yina unama computer it.
Yeah, but for your shows we must get tickets at computer.
Yeah.
Or are you more important? Yeah.
Like good top 4 of the funniest comedians in the country.
Yes.
I'm number 1, but I'm good top 4.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm 12. Man, I'm on my own. I'm on my own lane. I don't know who's doing what. But then you say, lava by 2, lava. And then they cheek. Let's do this, boy. Let's do what?
Let them flourish.
Flourish. He just flourish.
What about Dr. Malinga? Do you feel about that?
No, I feel like Dr. Malinga was like people are too sensitive. Dr. Malinga is one happy guy.
Yeah.
You need confidence to have green trousers, Joe.
and to wear them here in your chest.
You are very happy, like you are. Your level of happiness is untouchable. Like is very happy. You can't wear this T-shirt and say,
you are unhappy. It's true.
He's happy, Joe. Like Dr. Malinga happy.
Yeah.
And the winning song of the year was Zenzeli Award. We win the song of the year. Zenzeli Stengel Award. Wapala song of the year. Dr. Malinga Glalek Monemal. For me, that is happiness, Joe. So. You know what ukhuluma nonesty abantu basensitive kulazi le country sinenking eningi kuli sinenkinga yesasa iCPS ngapha uPro ngapha abafeng ngapha sto Helen Zilo sibiza ngezinto osibiza ngama cologne sinenkinga eningi abayeke Dr. Malinga namabhuruku akhe apinki belo Dr. Malinga kana electricity Oh, uyenza ngelectricity nempatha Sprite kanje. Tamama uzokunamakhala ngathi useklapini already. Ayike out happy njengaleyana baby. So people are taking things too serious. Hayi, good luck to my main man Bra Pop.
Yes.
Good luck to Bra Pop. I hope he wins. If it doesn't win, obviously ngizomthela ngeband noma kanti.
No samthengela nathi.
My show in Witbank, I think I'm left with 30 tickets. The Rich Casino in Seval in 6 May, Port Elizabeth in East London, ngale weekend ye Freedom in 27 and Speedy Recovery to Baba Ahmed Katrad ngathanga phola man bamanga baba kaphola bamnisela something ebaba nyana too. Ngeke ulale phansi ulinde babayo.